how to install themes on Shopify. So here from the homepage of Shopify, we want to focus on this section right here, which is online store. Once we click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, which will directly take us to the themes page. If we scroll down a little bit, then you will see this theme library and popular free themes here. You can install themes by clicking on add right here, but if you don't like any of those which are shown, we can visit the theme store. So this is going to open up a new page with all of the free and paid themes which we can look through right here. We can sort them by free and we can sort them by paid. So if you choose one which you like, so I'm just going to do free here. If you choose one which you would like, we are just simply going to click on it and then we can try the theme right here. If I click on try theme, then this will add it to my online store here. So after it has been added, then I'm going to show you what it looks like. So it's going to tell us that it's adding sense here. So the theme is currently being installed. As you can see, I've done this for the Spotlight theme as well. And we just want to give it some time to install the theme here. So I'm just going to be patient and I'll come back in a second. So now we will have successfully installed this theme. And if you want to use it as your current theme, then all you have to do is click on publish here and it will replace your current theme with this one that we just installed. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.